Hello, Ruthie of Teal Dragonfly Creations. Today we are talking to Ruthie about her design in the Fall Plenty earring ebook and Crochet Along. And Ruthie, yay! I'm so happy to get a chance to talk to you again and to have you in our ebook bundle. Let's start by tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, my name is Ruthie and I own Teal Dragonfly Creations. I have a yarn store / gift shop boutique type thing. It's like a little bit more than just a yarn store, a little bit more than a gift store. And I am in Glendive, Montana. Absolutely gorgeous, small town. So yeah, we're on the dinosaur trail, so you'll see a lot of dinosaur patches. But I'm obsessed with dragonflies, so you'll also see dragonflies. I have 2 kiddos. One is moved out. The other one I am trying to get through high school homeschooling. That is a challenge.
Yeah.
And I just recently moved my parents in with me. My dad has late stage dementia, so my mom needed help with them. But yeah, I am busy always. Love it.
Yes, you are.
I wouldn't trade it for anything.
That's awesome. Yay. Ruthie, tell us how you got into crochet.
So I was 5 and my mom was working 2 jobs. So my grandparents had me all the time. So my mom was 33 when she had me. So I was like super young and they were super old. So like they were trying to keep me calm and teach me things to mellow me out a little bit. So my grandma taught me sewing and embroidery and needlepoint, plastic canvas, you name it. Crocheting stuck. I liked the other stuff, but crocheting is where my heart is. So that's how I got started.
Yay. How do you describe your design style?
Eclectic chaos.
I like that. That's a great design style.
Right? I love designing things that I want to use and wear. And so I love books. So I have lots of book designs, like book bags, bookcases, bookmarks. But I love plants. So I have plant baskets and plant hangers, and I love wearing things. So I have earrings and shawls, and I love dragonflies. So there's dragonflies in a lot of them. It's an eclectic mix of everything.
Yeah, awesome. That's so great. Well, you told us a little bit about what inspires your designs. I know dragonflies inspire you. Are there other things that inspire your designs?
Nature. Like I don't really go floral, but like the star stitch is something that I'm like super obsessed with right now because it reminds me of the frost on a window, like how it spiders out. So that'll kind of inspire my designs, but then books and
Yes,
plants. So a little bit of
so
everywhere.
great. So much fun. Okay, tell us about your earrings for the Crochet Along. Yay.
They are so much fun. Okay, so there are the post option, the hanging option, the sideways hanging option, and then the post with the hanging option with 2 different ways to hang it. And I named it after my bestie, Lisa, and my soul sister, Amanda. So that's where Leanda came from.
I love that.
Right? I threw a couple of names at them, and that's the one that they both were like, that one. So
awesome.
That's where that came from. And I actually made up a few more pair. So that is the sideways hanging.
So pretty.
And then the post hanging And that's
Love
actually
it.
what I'm wearing now, is the blend with the post, and then it hangs. Oh, there they are. And then just the post, and you can just have them with a droop to the bottom
Mhm.
or to the side, so that this part is against the side of your face, or
Mhm.
you can completely flip it over. And it
That's
kind of
so
looks like a
fun.
little mountain. I
Yes,
love it.
that's
And
so
you
fun.
can do the post hanging like this, but hang it sideways.
Mhm.
So many different options. I love it.
Yeah, I really like the sideways hanging. I think you were wearing it that way in a reel or something earlier this week, and I was like, oh, that looks
Yeah.
very nice. But
So
I'd
I
already
want
put mine on, so
Well, that's the best part about earrings, though. I mean, you can whip up another pair and just hang
yeah,
them sideways.
that's right. I sure can. Yay. Yeah, I really like this earring. I like that there are so many options to it, and I like that you've named it after two of your friends. That's
Yes.
so sweet. Talk about the stitches in this earring.
So I used single, half, double, triple. So you're getting a little bit of all of it. You're getting a non-closed magic ring, but then I focused on the puff and the picot stitches, which are two of my favorite stitches. So
Nice.
I love it.
Yes, yes,
Give it lots of texture and 3D look to it without doing too much.
yeah. Yes, and texture and lacy. So it's kind of a nice, fun combination.
Exactly.
Yay. Awesome. Ruthie, if people love this earring pattern from you, what other patterns do you have that they will be drawn to?
Well, the spring fling earrings have the picot in them. And then like so many of my patterns have puffs in them.
Mhm.
Um, but I'm doing a new design pattern that is going to be coming out in 3 weeks. It'll be the jewel cozy set.
Ooh,
So
fun.
yes, and that'll be cross stitches, which goes with Sarah's earring,
Oh,
and it'll have
fun.
the puff. So yeah, super fun.
Cool. Yay. Okay, Ruthie, thank you so much for talking to us and telling us about yourself and your design. And if people are interested in joining the Crochet Along, they can purchase the ebook from any of our links because they all go to the same place. And our designers for this ebook are Natalia Johnson, Ruthie Smith, Priscilla Allen, Ashley Moran, Sarah Korth, and me, Amber Bliss Calderon. I did it. Why do I never write these things down before? I never do, but then I get there eventually. And we are so excited to have you guys crochet earrings with us, learn new stitches and techniques, and perfect your earring making skills. If you're not there to the point where you're ready to work with size 10 thread, don't worry. You can make a lot of these designs with larger thread or with yarn to get yourself eased into earring making. And yay, it's going to be so much fun.
Absolutely.
Yay.
Thank you, Amber. You're the
Thanks,
best.
Ruthie. Talk to you soon.
Yep.
Bye.